Okay, now that you have your SSH key created with the PuTTY key generator tool, you can copy over this SSH key when you go to create a new droplet at the DigitalOcean site. But what you want to do first is you want to add this SSH key to the system before you create your new droplet. You'll click on the SSH key menu first, which will bring up the menu option, which will bring up this web page. Then you'll click on the Add SSH key and just simply paste it in and just name it something. SSH new. And click Create. And it creates that SSH key for you to roll out with your new DigitalOcean droplet. And what we'll do is we'll just create one. So click on Create, enter a host name, and just new host. It could be anything up there, even a fully qualified domain name, such as yourdomain.com, whatever it is, or just you can name it anything because you can rename it later on. We'll pick the generic options here. CentOS, 64-bit, I like to work with CentOS. And as you can see here, you have the new SSH key. So just click on it, highlight it, and then just do Create Droplet. And that's how easy it is to create an SSH key with your new droplet. So then when you log on with PuTTY, you can use that SSH key, which I'll be showing you in another video. Thanks for watching.